This is AQA A-level Chemistry. It is a paper 3 question on required practical assessments, and this one is focused on RPA4. As always, I'm going to recommend that you pause it, have a go at the question, and then review once you've tried it for yourself. So quite a short question here. We've got parts A and parts B. Take a look at the answer when you're ready. So quite a common question. You are given two different reagents or two different solutions, and you need a simple test tube reaction that will help you to identify or differentiate between them. So can you give a reagent or combination of reagents that can be added to the solutions in each pair to distinguish between them in a single reaction? So the first one that we have here is NaCl and BaCl2. And what we're hoping you're going to spot here is that we know something really important about barium. We know the solubility of sulfates decreases as you go down the group, and that barium sulfate is totally insoluble. The reagent that we're looking for here is that we can add aqueous sulfuric acid. Now, when I add sulfuric acid to a salt, I'm going to get no visible change. But because we know we're making barium sulfate here, and this is essentially the test for sulfate ions, we're going to make a white precipitate. When we move on to NaCl and Na2CO3, again, the thing that stands out here is a metal carbonate. Question is, do we know how to test for carbonates? And the way that you do that is you add an acid. So you could have said sulfuric, nitric, hydrochloric, but you add those, and if you add them to sodium chloride, you get no visible change. But if you add them to a metal carbonate, the metal carbonate will break down and produce carbon dioxide. And if you're producing carbon dioxide or any gas, the observation that you're going to make is effervescence. That takes us to the end of this question. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.